KP's Kingdom, Cooking with KP, Cooking with MS episode, another MS Monday. Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade fettuccine with prosciutto and avocado. Let's get on with it. This is my first problem I had. I misread my recipe. You want about 2, maybe 3 cups of flour. About 2 3/4 cups of flour is what the recipe actually says. I probably can't count at this point. Alright, give that a good sieve. Get rid of all those lumps. Put in 3 eggs, and I always crack my eggs into a bowl first, make sure they're good. So just put those eggs straight in, and I'm just using your normal everyday 60 gram style egg. Okay, they can go straight into our mixer bowl. Now, because my hands aren't that dexterous anymore, I'm using my stand mixer. I'm just going to make that up into a nice little quantity. Now, I should have realized at this point I did not have enough liquid. You can actually add a little bit of water to that and make that come back a little bit. It was a little bit crumbly. We got there in the end. Cover that with some cling wrap. Put it in the fridge for about half an hour. Now, use your pasta roller. You can use a hand crank one, or you can use a machine like mine. I need to use the machine these days. My hands aren't that dexterous where I can actually roll and hold the pasta at the same time. You can buy those hand rolled ones quite inexpensively, but this machine's made my life a lot easier. As you can see, we're getting a nice pasta dough happening here. Just keep rolling that through, just like that, and before you know it, we're going to end up with some beautiful homemade pasta. So the multiple sclerosis in this recipe has affected me in a few different ways. We're going to take the roller out and put our cutter attachment on, and the first thing that happened, I misread the recipe. The second one, I can't use a hand roller anymore. We're just going to put that piece of pasta straight through our machine, cut the fettuccine. You can even do that with a knife if you want. I like to put these into little nests, just like I'm doing there, and you can let that dry out. It will actually keep for a while in an airtight container. Right, so let's put our pasta to the side, just like that, and let's get ready to cook. Left hand side, nice big pot, heavily salted water. Right hand side, I'm just using a wok for this because it's easy. Nice little teaspoon thereabouts of garlic and a little bit of onion powder. Yes, I'm cheating. A little bit of basil paste. They can go straight in. You can use fresh if you want. Straight in. Half a can of sliced champignons. You can use fresh mushrooms if you want. I had those hanging around. That worked great. A little bit of pepper. We don't need salt because the prosciutto, which goes in now, is so salty. We just want to get a little bit of warmth happening to that. Don't want to get it too overcooked. And we'll just give that a bit of a stir. As you can see, left hand side, the pasta's going in. Once it comes up to a float, you know it's pretty much done. Fresh pasta does not take very long to cook at all. A little bit of cream, about 1/3 of a cup to start with, just to get a sauce starting to happen. It's a very light meal, this, I must say. Just stir that all the way through. Just get everyone to know each other. And our water is, as you see, bubbling away feverishly. We're going to add in 2 avocados, just roughly sliced or chunked up like that. And you can see my wife's helping me on the left hand side there. It's a two-person operation, this particular recipe today. We're going to use about 2 teaspoons worth of capers, a little bit of caper juice as well, a little bit of that pickling brine. Just give it a little bit more cream if you think it's too thick. We want a creamy sauce for this recipe. And before you know it, we will have a meal. We can put that pasta straight into that mixture there, just like that. Give it a good stir through. If you think it needs more cream, add a little bit more. Alright, so this was not a failure by any means, apart from the fact that I had a few issues making the actual pasta itself on this particular day. I wasn't going to make an episode out of this, but I'm just going to show you what happens in real life. Add a little bit of pecorino or parmesan cheese on top, and there you go, KP's homemade fettuccine with prosciutto and avocado. Thank you so much for watching this video, really do appreciate it. If you like this video, please hit that like button, gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. hit that notification bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. Please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. More importantly, if you want to learn different recipes, if you want to learn how multiple sclerosis does affect me in the kitchen at times, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. But I've already eaten this. I'm going to dream up the next recipe and I will catch you next time. Bye!